Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to apply for Amazon warehouse jobs in the USA in 2025. So step 1, go to www.amazon.jobs on your browser. And step 2, use the search bar to type warehouse associate and select your preferred city or state. And step 3, choose a job posting that fits your schedule, day, night, part-time, or full-time. Step 4, click apply now and either log in or create an Amazon Jobs account. Step 5, fill out your details including your name, contact info, work eligibility, and previous work experience. Step 6, some locations allow you to choose your shift immediately or schedule an on-site hiring event. Step 7, submit the form and monitor your email for background check and onboarding instructions. Amazon warehouse jobs don't usually require interviews. It's just pass the background check and you're in. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.